What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie. Tonight on Roadie Snacks, we'll be trying out some Oreos. These look to be raspberry and blueberry. I'm going to take a stab in the dark and say these are from China. Yeah, these were sent to me by my brother, so I don't know exactly where he got them from, but that's what they look like. Whoops, wrong side. Blueberry and raspberry. So go ahead and crack them open, see what they taste like.
The next day.
Not sure how well you can see that, but it's a little bit of the blue, a little bit of the red. Right away, you get hit with blueberry, and a slightly off raspberry, as I'm trying to see what the cream tastes like. It is weird. It's a little bit of an aftertaste, and I'm not sure exactly where it's coming from. I'm not sure if it's it's coming from the blueberries or the raspberry. But it's right in your face with the flavor. Just that aftertaste is throwing me off. From overseas, I've had quite a few different Oreos, and these actually are, I would put towards the bottom of the list, just for that aftertaste. And I want to say it's probably from the raspberry part of it, because the blueberry, I'm not picking it too much from the blueberry, but it's the blueberry and raspberry Oreos. I wish I knew where they, like, exactly. Hopefully future me will be able to decipher this, and I can put it down here somewhere. Give them a 2 out of 5. I'm really shocked, because usually I've been quite surprised at the overseas offerings for Oreos, but can't win them all. That'll over this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you've had it before, what you thought about it, and what you thought about this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Roadie Human Awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.